Hey yo, what's up guys? Here with another video, and today we're gonna be doing something amazing. Okay, saw me wave right there. We're gonna be opening up this bad boy right there. You know what I'm saying? So the reason I chose this was because long story short, I was in a pit. I had to pick either Evolutions, or I wanted to pick either Evolutions or the new set, which is, I forgot its name. It's the Storm. I was just at the store. How did I forget the name, or whatever? It was the Sun and Moon Storm, whatever. I kind of forgot the name. So your boy is about to open this. Right there, Evolutions. Let's see how it goes. So I know I erased all my other videos. Yeah. I'm starting fresh. Okay, let's get on to the video. Enough blabbering. Let's do this, okay. So we're just gonna tear that. No problem. So we got a Venusaur. I hate how they put an artwork, let's say Righteous and artwork, and they give you a Venusaur or something else, but whatever. So let's get on to the video. You know, you gotta shake it. You hear that? So currently I am on my bed, but there. Let's open this thing up. Okay, so let's take these cards out. Okay, so we did get a green code, but still we get a break. So give this code card to you guys. If you hear people in the background, I'm sorry. My Theo is here. Okay, so it's gonna be 3. Oh God. Okay, so we got a Charmander, a Seal, Focus, a Staryu, a Doduo, a Ponyta, Brock's Grit, a Haunter, a Trainer, oh, and a Porygon. It's not a Porygon Z. A Porygon regular. It's not a rare. And our last is a D-Wong. And it is a regular rare. So let's go through the cards we got. You know, I'll do this on camera. So we got a Porygon, a Trainer, a rare, a Haunter, Brock's Grit, Ponyta, oh, okay, Doduo, Staryu, and a Seal, oh no, and a Charmander. Charmander missed. Oh my God. That's good. So hopefully you guys like this video. I'm just gonna put that in. Yeah, probably gonna get that. So hopefully you like this video, and see you in the next one. Peace.